Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are doing great. You must be running iOS 17 beta and many of you may not be satisfied updating to the latest beta version and looking to downgrade it. I am also one of them. In this video, I will show you how to downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16.6 without losing data on a Mac computer. And yes, along with downgrading successfully to the previous signed iOS version, you will also be able to restore iOS 17 data backup to iOS 16.6. Before I start the process, hit the like button guys, so that YouTube push this video to the other users looking to downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16.6. Also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, as more exciting videos are coming up. For downgrading purpose, I am using this Ultphone iOS downgrade tool. These are the main highlights of this awesome tool. It can do more than just downgrading iOS firmware. You can get it linked from this video's description. It is available for both Mac and Windows. You can download according to your operating system. Once it's downloaded, double click on the DMG file, then drag and drop it into the applications folder to install it. Once it's installed, open it from the applications folder. If your computer doesn't let you open it, right click on it and then select the open option, then it will open. Now connect your device and hit the trust button so the tool can recognize your device. Now before you do anything, take a complete backup of your device so you can restore iOS 17 backup to iOS 16.6. I am using Ultphone iOS Data Manager for taking backup. Let me just show you the process. You can get this tool from the link given in this video's description. Once it's installed and device is recognized on it, go to this backup and restore section. Here, do these 3 steps mentioned on the screen and you are good to go to take complete backup of your device. Once these are done, hit the backup button to start the process. It will take some time depending on the amount of data you have. Once backup is completed, it will show you what is backed up on your screen. Later you can restore this iOS 17 backup in iOS 16.6. Once the backup is taken, now let's start the downgrade process. Go back to the Ultphone iOS downgrade tool. Here are the main things it can do for you. If you go into more features, here more functionality you can do on your device with it. But here in this video, we are using it to downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16.6. Come back and click on this iOS upgrade and downgrade option. On the next page, click on this downgrade option and initiate the process. Here on the next window, it will show you through the Apple servers which is the signed version you can downgrade to. In my case, it's iOS 16.6. It could be different for you, but that is the only version you can downgrade to from iOS 17 beta right now. There could be any other signed version as well that is not shown here, but how would you get that? I will show you that in a moment. Now you need to download this version. You can either use this Ultphone iOS downgrade tool to download that. Click on the download button and it will start it. On the other hand, you can also manually download the file and select it in the tool. Let me just show you how you can manually download it. Before that, if you have made this far in this video, hit the like button guys, also the subscribe button for more iOS related videos. Now go to this ipsw.me website, select the device here, then on the next page, select your iPhone model. In my case, it's iPhone 14 Pro, so I will just select that. Then on the next page, you will see the signed iOS versions at the top in the green color. Currently, only iOS 16.6 is signed for my device. All the ones below in the red color are unsigned iOS versions and you cannot downgrade to these. You can only downgrade to the ones in the green color. Now to download it, click on the signed version. Then on the next page, click on the download button and it will start downloading. Now once you have the IPSW file downloaded on your computer, either manually or through the tool, Let's select it and move forward the downgrade iOS 17 beta process. If you have downloaded it from the tool, it will show you the next screen itself, and if you have manually downloaded it, select it from the bottom of the tool. Click here and choose the downloaded file. Once it's selected, click on the downgrade button to initiate downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16 process. Do not disconnect your device. It could take some time to complete the process. I am adding little cuts and fast forwards in the video. Here you can see guys, the downgrade process is done successfully. Now let me just quickly go through the setup process and show you which iOS version I am currently on after the downgrade process. Here you can see my device is now running on iOS 16.6 and I have successfully downgraded iOS 17 beta to iOS 16.6 on my iPhone 14 Pro. Now I will show you how to restore iOS 17 backup to iOS 16.6 using Altphone iOS Data Manager tool, which I used earlier to take complete backup of my device. Open the tool. If you do not have it, you can get it from the link given below. Moreover, if you do not want to use this and want to use the manual process to restore iOS 17 backup to iOS 16.6, I already have a video uploaded about that. I will put its link up in the cards and in the description below. You can follow that. Once you open this tool, go to the backup records section. It will show you all the backups you have on your computer for your device. Click on the one you want to restore to and it will show you the contents of it. You can choose to have selective backup restored as well. Remember one thing, you need to close the Safari in iCloud from your device. Then you will be able to restore the data. Let me just quickly show you. Once it's done, click on the Restore to Device button and the process to restore iOS 17 backup to iOS 16.6 will start. Wait for it to complete. Here you go, now it's done. This is how to downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16.6 without losing data using Altphone iOS downgrade tool and Altphone iOS Data Manager. Thank you for watching.